Morning, gentlemen. Just here cutting some hinges on the RockBreaker. This is a nice light one, so it's easy to cut through. First step is just taping up, which is part of my marking out. Those bits on the ends. We use this size tape instead of measuring lengths, just the width of the tape. How's it for me? Yeah, that's right. I'll need another little bit there.
Too short, Gary.
Turn him over. Now this one sticks out either end, so I can get the top center line same. She's in. So it's hinge lines, positions. Servo. Need a hole here for the under overs. Servo pockets. It takes on. Ruler. Just mark out here for the where my jig's going to sit to drill. That's that in, that's that marked. Roll over. Just our markings here. This will be the hole for the wires. That one doesn't need to be perfect because it gets covered up anyway. So that's one bit marked. So now I've got my verniers. I'm set on 33mm. So that is my dimension here for where the top cut will go. I'll mark here, not that one, this one. Take it back 1mm, 32. This is the bottom, where we'll score our line. So now we're all marked out. I'll go back to the top. Got my little drilling jig. Now I like to do this before I do control surfaces, so it's not flexing as much. There. Back there. Grab the cordless. Through the outer skin, that's the inner skin, and the servo pocket. Around it in a bit. That's that one. Onto this side. Not sitting quite right. Better. That's over under's done. That tape's not needed anymore. Get rid of it. See the nice little hole there. And it's hard to see, but you can see the hole coming through here. So our servo will sit there. Nice join up. So that's done. Just the hacksaw. Now here, I like to cut the bottom first, or from the bottom. That way when you hit the Kevlar it rolls it in rather than out. It's going to be that's that one. Yeah, it rolls the Kevlar in, so it tends to not be as daggy on the outside. So, now this is a very light build, so I think we're only looking, this is about 140 grams on this skin here, that I'm cutting. So I don't use any pressure on the hacksaw, it's just the weight of the saw itself. This hand. It is nice where the white is, because when you're cutting through the black it's very hard to see the end of your cut. So I'll just flick him over this way. As you can see it's black here mainly. Quite difficult to see. That's good. That's good. That's good. That one's good. That's all them cut. So now we need to score lines. Right. Just line him up here nicely. Now a lot of guys would have sanded those hinge cuts, or those saw cuts there now, but with the tape on there, and I like to leave that tape on at this. I don't do any sanding of that yet. Now here's my high-tech scoring tool. I haven't made a handle, so it's in the vice grip. It's a nice, very sharp, positive edge on it. This tip's actually designed for aluminium. Works well. Same again, this is very light skin, so I don't need to do much light pressures. There's my fucking ding mark. Start feeling it starting to hit the Kevlar there now. A little bit more to there. That's how it's done. Now I see this little piece of crap here. That's been putting dings in wings. Get rid of that. Actions off the bench.
Oh my god, default!
Even here you notice I turned the rule over. around, because I like the round edge in the middle, because on a light skin you'll ding up again. This one a bit. Alright, next. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I don't go to full clean Kevlar. I'm quite happy to leave a few little bits of black there. And that's a nice clean line. Roll him over. And there we go. Markers. Trusty old knife. I find big ones are better than small ones for here. Small ones, I don't know, they just don't do it for me. If we come through here. I like the edge of the knife sits on the ruler so it doesn't go too deep. It's not good guide. Just going to get this there. There it goes. And that's just starting to flex away. So just push down gently on it. Cutting through the foam all the way down to the Kevlar on the inside. Boom. That one's going beautiful. Alright, control surface for this weight, super stiff. And I think you notice I'm not putting any of my tools on the bench here because I've learnt very easily move the wing around and drop it on top of your tool and ding her up. Right. Keep reasonably clean. Alright, that one's done. Now, swing it around this way, so I'll just hold my hinge open, and the knife blade along the edge of there. I only do the bottom because running the knife along the top edge It's too easy to cut into the skin. So once that's there, trusty screwdriver. Pick this phone up. You can actually see the skin flexing when I'm doing that, but it flexes back. So now that's dug out through to where the pierce bar is, the shear web, and that's nice hard, that's a Kevlar carbon surface in there. That's all done. Trusty sander. Let's come on this edge. Just a tiny bit, just to take that edge off a little. And then the inside. Right. Now what I get here on these corners, the sander doesn't get into them very well, so I'm going to try and carefully take a tiny piece out. That's going in there now. And look at that beautiful hinge. Side.